let's see. I'm waiting for questions.
Start off intro.
Okay. Hi guys. Firstly, thank you so much for 6 million likes, and on that occasion of completing 6 million likes and having an extended family of 6 million, I have this FB live chat session. So come up with some interesting questions. I'm looking forward to having a nice conversation with you all. So my first question is from Charan Tej, who says, how's the feeling working with Mahesh Babu? And your smile is very beautiful. Thank you, Charan. Very, very good feeling. I have been a huge fan of his work, and I'm really excited and happy that I got a chance to work with him. Panchla says, I love you. I say I love you too. Jitendra Godu is asking, what are my future projects? Well, right now I'm just finished shooting for Dhuva almost, and then I'm shooting for a film with Sai Dharamtej. I'm shooting for Murugdas Mahesh Babu's film. Then I have Velakonda Srima's film and Naga Chaitany's project. Rakhi Ramaz asked me my favorite question: what's your favorite food? I love food. I love anything and everything to do with food, and mostly I love mom-made food. Gaurang Agarwal, how are you? Very well, how are you? Well, Sugawasi Prithvi is asking me, work for a day, how many hours? Well, we don't know. Our life is not our own life. At times we work for 24 hours, at times we work for 8 hours, at times we work for 12 hours, but generally sleep for about 4 to 5 hours. Uday Gola is asking me, how about your marriage? Well, I wish I knew Uday. I should have been a pandit instead. Shiva Nadi is asking me, when did you act with our Ilyapati Vijay? Well, I would love to work with him. I love his work. I love his films. So let's hope soon. Priyanka Day is asking me, what is the secret of your skin? The secret is just being happy from within, and just doing what I love doing, that is working in films, and the love that I get from all of you. Syed Mesu Gulzar was asking me, what is my favorite game? Well, my favorite game, if you mean sport, would be golf. RC Dina Dayalan, if I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, is asking me, who's my favorite actor in Tamil? It has to be Surya and Vijay. सत्यम शर्मा is asking me, ऐसा क्या इंसान में होना चाहिए जो एक पर्सन को बॉलीवुड में स्टार बना सकता है? Well, Mr. Satyam, if I knew that, I would have told a lot of people who I know want to be stars, but I think it's your dedication and your hard work that can make you a star in any department, like any field that you want to be in. So it's not restricted to Bollywood or not restricted to Tollywood or any other industry for that matter. Dilip Reddy is asking me, what's your favorite work other than film industry? Well, fitness and food. Dipshika Patange is asking me, this is my first time, you look so pretty. Oh my god, thank you, Dipshika. I like the way you act, you look good in Western and Indian. Lots of love to you too, and thank you for the compliments. Surya Raj is asking me, when are you going to do another film in Tamil? Well, I'm shooting for a bilingual with Murugadas sir, with Mahesh Babu, so that's a Tamil film also. Sai Srivas is asking me, when are you going to do a film with power star Pawan Kalyan? I will just call him and ask him when he's calling me for the film, okay? Salman Ansari says, I'm waiting. I'm also waiting for your question, Salman Ansari. Janki Ram is asking, what is the secret for your energy? It's not boost. It's my work. It's all you. Akash, facility being a celeb is, you have to answer it, haha. I don't know what you mean by that question. Could you please rephrase it? Okay, Ganaji Harshad asked me, before signing the movie Nanuko Premto, did you ever think it would be a complete class movie? Well, that's the reason I signed it, because I thought my character was a very classy one and it was something that I hadn't done before, and so was the movie, and I really had a great time shooting for it. Vicky Vikram asked me, do you have any crush? Did you date anyone? Can you be my girlfriend for one day? Oh my god, Vicky, do you see me blushing here already? I don't have a boyfriend. I'm not dating anyone, so yeah, I think you can be with you. Subhash Srikantam is asking me, heard that you're playing the role of a sports person in your next film with Sai Dharam Tej. Is it true? Well, yes, I'm playing the role of an athlete, and it's very much true. Gadam Sethi Akhilesh Kumar is asking, why are you so cute? So bad, no? Che, why am I so cute? Guys, write questions in Telugu, please. Then only I can answer in Telugu. Okay, let's see. Rohit Paniki, good evening. Very good evening to you too. MD Imran, in which scene you have taken more takes to do that scene? I don't remember any scene like that, but there was a scene in Sarayanolu where there's a lot of blood and running and a fight sequence. So generally, on the whole, that scene took a lot of time because of a lot of reasons. There was fight, there's so many people, and then every timing had to be set. It was, I think, the most difficult scene in the shot. Mandeep Sandy is asking me, who is your celebrity crush? Ranveer Singh. Slow. Adhikari Robin, hi, you look really gorgeous. I'm Robin from Nepal. My WhatsApp number is this. I shall WhatsApp you my number later. Harshavardhan is asking, tell some secrets about Ram Charan. He's going to kill me, but Ram Charan chala naughty unnaru. He's a prankster, and it's a lot of fun working with him. Vaibhav Agarwal says, today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Vaibhav, and hope you have a very, very, very good year. Puneet Sai, why can't you try to do a movie like Tomrid? Why don't you set up a project like that for me? I would love to do it, and considering that I am a person who loves fitness and jumping around like that, I would love to do it. Hi Rakul, any crush in Bollywood? I just said. Okay. Jinit Kumar is asking me, who is your favorite actor in Telugu? నేను చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాను, కానీ మళ్ళీ చెప్పాను. Allu Arjun and Pawan Kalyan garu. Ayush Saraswat is asking me, what is the meaning of my name? My name is initials of my parents' name. R is from my mom, KUL is from my dad, and I am a combination of their love. Guys, can we have some nice, interesting questions, please? These are questions that I answer before film's release also. When are you going to act with Prabhas? Is a question that. Oh shit. When are you going to act with Prabhas? Is a question that Sri Harsha has asked me. Well, I would love to work with him, so let's hope soon once Bahubali finishes, obviously. Okay. Somebody else. Naresh is saying, Bakul, please reply me looking pretty in red shirt. Hi Naresh, I replied to you. I wish you had added a question to that. I would have answered that as well. Thank you. Why are so many people asking me when am I getting married? Sai Mohan, are you going to watch MS Dhoni movie? Yes, I think the trailer looks very promising and I would love to watch it. Mohan Sai says, Rakul, please say hi to me. Hi Mohan Sai. Rohit Eligeti is asking me which is your favorite vacation spots. Well, I would say Bahamas. No. I've already said. Somebody just asked me, have I done anything that I regret? Well, nothing actually. At that moment, you feel that probably things didn't go your way, but end only positive ga I so I don't think I regret anything. Adhiraj Singh Chauhan, thank you for asking me that question. How do you think? What is my reaction on returning Pakistani actors back to Pakistan? Well, I really think if that was the reason, if that's how terrorism can be stopped, then it should have been done long back, but that is not the root cause. I think we always get deviated from what the real reasons behind it is and always try to cover up with these kind of silly, proposals, I would say. At least people who are doing their job right and bringing some form of art and cinema should be encouraged, and people who are wrong should be punished. Anirban Saha, where are you now staying? Anirban Saha, I'm staying in Hyderabad. Giri Ramakrishna has asked me, what is your opinion in Telugu industry? I love the Telugu film industry. నేనే ఆల్మోస్ట్ తెలుగు అయిపోయాను, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను, తెలుగులో ఆలోచిస్తాను. సో హైదరాబాద్ కూడా హోమ్ లాగా అయిపోయింది and I love the industry. Sachin Kamar has asked me, what is your diet plan? Sachin, diet laga, there is no word. I always feel that diet is a very depressing word. It's always healthy eating, and that's what I do. I eat everything, but just try to control on my sweets and fried food. Nihal Reddy has asked me, I support you for not doing any surgeries, but why will all the heroines do? Well, Nihal, I don't know about others, but I think we should be very content with what we have, and I don't really, I'm not against anybody going for it if they want to. Everyone has the right to do whatever they feel with themselves. Rustam Singh asked me, how's your gym doing? Well, F45 is doing very well. Thank you. Dasari Sampath Mudiraj has asked me, makeup or without makeup? Well, I would love to be without makeup if I wasn't an actress. God, I hate putting makeup on. Sri Harsha has asked me, what is my favorite thing about Tollywood? Well, my favorite thing about Tollywood is that the people here are really nice, very welcoming, and they make me feel like why are you dressing like a boy always? Well, I didn't think boys wear saris. Pawan Karthik has asked me working experience with Ravi Teja sir. Well, he is an amazing person. He is full of life, full of energy, and whenever I meet him, I mean చాలా మంచి ఫ్రెండ్ ఉన్నారు, and he's a very nice person. Hi Rahul, your original name is Neha Verma. Tada! I didn't know that. Thank you, Dea. Akshay Ravirala is asking me, what about your role in Mahesh 23 movie? Well, Akshay, this is one of the most fun roles that I've ever done, and nothing like this has been seen South India lo, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi lo kuda. So ఇది చాలా మంచి క్యారెక్టర్, చాలా కొత్త లుక్ కూడా ఉంది. So please watch this space to know more. Krishna Kant has asked me, what do you do when you're free from shooting? Well, when I'm free from shooting, I watch a lot of films, I hang out with my friends, I work out, I travel, and I cheat and eat. I mean, eat. Pavan Kumar Garu is asking me, when will you get retired? ఎందుకండి మీకు ఎంత త్వరగా నాకు పంపించాలి అన్న ఫీలింగ్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడే వచ్చాను, కొంచెంసేపు పని చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతా. Arun Reddy has asked me, who's my favorite heroine in Tollywood? It has to be Anushka and Samantha. Kishore is asking me single word about myself. I think super energetic, hyper. I would call myself hyper. Shiva Prasad is saying, please don't kill the youth with your smile. You mean I should not smile? Laundala. Guys, there are a lot of singer-song requests coming in, but I'm sorry, I'm not singing because I'm not a good singer. So let's just leave it for later. Satish Kumili garu, మీరు మీ నంబర్ పెట్టారు ఇక, సరే డెఫినెట్గా కాంటాక్ట్ చేస్తాను మీకు. For all the love you lots that I'm getting, I love you all too. Aditya Bona says, my name is Aditya, please tell me my name. Aditya, your name is Aditya. Vamshi Chakula is asking me your favorite cricketer, Virat Kohli. Ram Sethi Tanush Babu is asking me, do I release date? Well, will be announced in December. Pavan Shankar is asking me, planning to do any female oriented script? Well, I don't mind, nothing that great if you were to rally అలాంటి script కానీ వస్తే డెఫినెట్ గా ఆలోచిస్తాను. చంద్రశేఖర్ రెడ్డి, who's your first crush? నాకు కూడా గుర్తులేదండి. It was in 3rd standard. I just remember that. Sanat Valru, you are my MLA. Guys, come on, you can do better with some more interesting questions. Lakshman Rao Nandipati says, Rakul Rakul. Lakshman Rao garu. Suleiman Rock's asking me my favorite music director, A.R. Rahman. So, Ravi Teja is asking me your native, please. I'm an Indian. Tanveer Asad is saying, man, please at least one reply to 200th comment. Are question adandi reply chesta. Nikhil Mandi asks me when do you get up in the morning. Well, we guys wake up early, sometimes 5:30, sometimes even 4:30. So it's generally around 5-6. పవన్ బోగి ఏంటి హీరోయిన్ అయితే అంటూ బాయ్స్ కమెంట్ చేస్తారా, గర్ల్స్ కి కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి, మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అడగండి నేను ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను, మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అడగలేదు అడగండి పవన్ గారు. Sudhakar Veer Sethi is asking me how is my experience working with megastar Chiranjeevi Garu to act in Bruce Lee. Well, if I have to say that Chiranjeevi Garu is a star or a superstar, megastar for one reason, that he is so grounded. And నేను నిజంగా తనతో పని చేసేటప్పుడు how he can be so grounded అనుకున్నాను. He is the nicest person I've ever met. Sarachandra is asking what is your idea about love marriage. Well, I would want to have love marriage actually, but I need to have someone to fall in love for that. Mahindra is asking me, hi, how are you? One word for Bunny, and who's your favorite hero? Well, Bunny is my favorite hero, so one word for him is he's fantastic and he's one of the most genuine people I know. Sri Rajesh says, I love to hear when you talk in Telugu. Thank you, Andy. Chala, thank you. B. Saisham, when I can meet you, you can't skip because this is variety question. మీ variety question చాలా ఉందండి, మీరు ఎప్పుడు తెలుస్తారు చెప్పండి. Asif Mohammed is asking me, hi Rakul, tell about your friendship and working with Sai Dharam Tej and what is the most challenging role till now. Well, the most challenging that I've done till now would be Sarainoru, because అందులో ఏడుస్తూనే ఉన్నాను మొత్తం మూవీలో. సెకండ్ హాఫ్లో చాలాసార్లు డిసిప్లిన్ పెట్టి ఒక 15 days నాన్ స్టాప్ డిసిప్లిన్ పెట్టిన రోజు. సో ఐస్ చాలా రెడ్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన రోజు నుంచి అంటే చాలా కష్టం కాదు కానీ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ ఉంది. అండ్ Sai Dharam Tej is a very very lovely person, full young spirited, and we joke a lot on set. He has a lot of nicknames for me, I have a lot of nicknames for him. We shall reveal those later. Mehrabeen is asking me, how are you? What is your hobby? I'm very well, thank you. And my hobbies are watching a lot of films, eating a lot of good food, traveling, and playing golf. Shrikant Kodubu, how are you feeling about your back-to-back hits in Tollywood? Well, Shrikant, neither the hits make me very happy, nor the flops dishearten me. So I'm just happy to be in the space that I am in overall, and I'm really thankful for that. Manokaran Pavi, hi Rakul, I'm your biggest fan. I watched all your movies, still I love you so much. I would say one thing, because you're so beautiful, nobody can beat you and catch your place. Well, thank you so much Manokaran Pavi garu for writing so much and such lovely things. It means a lot to me. For all the highs that I'm getting, hi. Well, there's a lot of singing requests coming, so let me just sing. Sirajuddin said also asked me to sing a song from a Telugu film. నాకు తెలుసా తెలుసా ప్రేమించానని తెలుసా తెలుసా ప్రాణం నువ్వుని రాసా రాసా నీకే ప్రేమని రాసా రాసా నువ్వు నేనని. Hope someone listens to me. Pawan Garu is asking me, are you interested in doing some villain roles? ఎందుకు నేను విలన్ లాగా కనిపిస్తాను అనుకో చెప్పండి. I'm getting a lot of marriage requests also. Guys, wait for another 5 years, please. Dinesh Mogala is asking me, am I working with Naga Chaitanya? Yes, I am working with Naga Chaitanya in it should be directed by Kalyan Krishna, director. Harish is saying, when will you dub in Telugu? Well, నేను నాన్నకు ప్రేమతో డబ్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చూద్దాం ఈ మూవీలో సెట్ అవుతుంది. Bata Deko is asking me, are you moving to Bollywood? Well, I am never, even if I go into a film there, I am not leaving Tollywood. So Avinash Darling says red color suits you. Thank you. Rahul Bulla has asked me, how are music directors not approaching me for singing? Well, it's good they're not approaching me because I can only sing these 2 lines. Rakesh Kumar is asking me, what is my favorite role to do, and are you interested to do a film like Arundhati? Well, I would love to, why not? And I don't know what my favorite role would be, but I definitely want to do a film where which people remember for life. ఒక్క ఫిల్మ్ అలాంటిది నా కార్యలో ఉంటే చాలు. For all the compliments pouring in, thank you so much. Sardar Sushant, through drinking tea, అవునా అవును. Shanta Enko is asking me, are you like Kerala? Well, yes, I love Kerala and I love the food in Kerala, and I think it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Chetan Gaurav is asking me, which tea are you drinking? Green tea. Guys, I'm sure you can do better with questions. కొన్ని interesting questions ఇవ్వండి, నాకు కూడా మాట్లాడడానికి చాలా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఉంది. Vikram is asking me, when you act in Tamil film soon, is what I'd say. Come up with some questions. See any questions. Shaikh Karim is asking me, where do you like to work, whether in Bollywood or Tollywood? Well, for me, films is what matters, and the kind of work that I do is what matters. So Bollywood అయినా Tollywood అయినా నాకు మంచి క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంటే నేను చేస్తాను. Kittu Lucky is asking me, are you really replying as కాదండి నా డూప్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టి నేను షూటింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను, డూప్ రిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. వచ్చినప్పుడు భారీ సాంగ్ పాడారు కదా, చాలా బాగుంది. Srinivas Pitla is asking me, any difficulty facing in dubbing Telugu? Well, difficulty కాదండి, కానీ కొంచెం డెఫినెట్లీ ఛాలెంజింగ్ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే నా ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ సరిగా ఉండదు కొన్నిసార్లు. సో నాకు ప్రేమతో ఫారెన్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఉన్నాను కాబట్టి అలా అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మూవీ లెట్స్ సీ విచ్ వన్ ఐ డబ్. Karthik Gunda says namaste with hands. Namaste. Valmiki Vishal asked me, yo, how's your life going on? Yo, super. Kumar is asking me, if not acting, what would you have chosen as a career option? Well, if not acting, I wanted to do my MBA in fashion brand management. So maybe I would have done that. In April, I can't think of anything else. Chaitanya Puletikruti wants a flying kiss. Mwah. Rakesh Lenka says, if you get a chance to work with Shah Rukh, what will be your first reaction? Just give me a chance, I say. Meher Zishan says, I'm from Pakistan. I love you. I love you too, Meher. Adi Santosh, hi Rakul. Do you like Hyderabadi biryani or not? I love Hyderabadi biryani. Okay, healthy version unte breakfast, lunch, dinner lo Hyderabadi biryani tinta. Meghna Naidu has asked me, who is your favorite role model? I would say that my role model is really my dad, because I can for anything. A question unte anni answers untai. My dad దగ్గర, so my dad. Ovid usually says, please open your head, cutie. Sorry, no, it's a bad headache. Hemant says, so happy to see you live. Well, really happy to see you too. I mean, talk to you all too. Sam. Sardar Sushant says, your pet name. Well, I don't really have a pet name. Kani మీరు పెట్టచ్చు. Gurprasad KG says, please do not forget to call me. మీ నంబర్ నోట్ చేశాను, డెఫినెట్లీ కాల్ చేస్తా. Who asked me that? The name. Don't move it so fast. Srinivas Pitala is asking me, మీరు ఎంత చక్కగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు ఎలా? వచ్చింది అండి, రోజు డైలాగ్స్ చేసి నేర్చుకొని ఇక్కడ ఉండి వచ్చేసింది కొంచెం. Bobby is asking me, sing a song from Dinesh Prakash is asking me the best compliment in your career and message. Well, I don't really get very happy with compliments. They just give me a lot of contentment, and there are so many compliments that come from people, and I just feel very grateful and happy in those moments. So there's so many people who give me such lovely compliments. Akshay Aki is saying green tea for me. Definitely, Akshay. Please come here and have a green tea with me. Allu Arjun Abhimani saying I left the exam only because to see you in live. No, Allu Arjun, you should not do that. Please do not do that ever. Otherwise, I will stop going live. ఇలా ఉంటే నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇలా మాట్లాడను. Exams are very important. Studies are very important. Bhanu Chandar is asking me who's your favorite dancing co-star in Tollywood. Well, there's co-stars అన్ని అందరూ ఎంత మంచి డాన్సర్స్ చరణ్ తారక్ బన్నీ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ నాకు కొంచెం కష్టం ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళతో ఈక్వల్ స్టెప్స్ మ్యాచ్ చేయడానికి. I'm just waiting for questions. Rohit Elgati asks me, what's your scariest moment of your life? Nothing as of now. I think, but the fear. But I actually don't live in fear, or I don't get scared because whatever is meant to happen will eventually happen. Manoj Kumar Manu asked me, what's your favorite color and place? Well, my favorite color has to be, I love blacks, though that's not a color, and I like orange. Shivam Yadav says, you have a boyfriend? I say, no. Can you get me one? Stifler Sunil asked me, what have you studied? Well, I'm a mathematics graduate, Stifler Sunil. Ramasaya Gurumari says you should rather answer questions asked by me, which also makes sense as it shows your unknowingness towards world affairs, your concern towards nation. Ramasaya Garu, if you ask me the question, then I can answer it. But I don't see your question here. Kumar Aishwarya, do you like horror movies? I love horror movies, but I definitely make sure that I have somebody with me to watch the horror film, give me company. Now, Nani Kapal asked me, will you try police role? Well, if it's good, why not? Somebody just asked me, Vikas asked me, what are you seeing? Well, I'm seeing all these questions running through my screen. The screen is up there, so a lot of times I look up. Karthik Reddy is asking me, what is your strengths and weakness? Well, I think my biggest strength would be my family and my weakness as well. Smoker is asking me any new dish you learned after boiling eggs. No, I think I learned how to make an omelette now. Little better. Hari Krishna has asked me, were you disappointed when you failed to Miss India? I know you won 6 categories. Well, to be very honest, I wasn't disappointed because I don't get disappointed with these things. I was the only one who was very excited for the after party, and more than anything else, my excitement was more that I can eat now the contest is over. So 1 month of Gattiga only training అయిపోయిన తర్వాత I could eat. So I ate the whole day, and I think whatever happened for the good because I came here. Ravin God asks me, madam, మీరు యాక్టర్ని మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటారా, బిజినెస్ మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకుంటారా? ఎవరు వస్తే చేసుకుంటా, రావాలి కదా. Ayush Trivedi is asking me, Raku, your cuteness is it natural or you bought it somewhere? I bought it on Flipkart. Shubh Sharma, if I became a star in Tollywood or in Bollywood, would you like to work with me? Well, Shubh, I hope you do become a big star in Tollywood or Bollywood, wherever, and why not? Chris Johnny asks me, do you like Tollywood? I love Tollywood. Kittu Lucky asks, Rakul, why are you replying late? Well, I'm sorry, Kittu Lucky. There are a lot of questions that I'm having to scan through before I reply, and most of the people are just saying hi. Lokesh Reddy asks me, Mac, who slapped you first? Well, I've only been slapped once in my life by my dad. I won't tell why. Ravi Kumar says, do you visit Charminar in Hyderabad? Yes, of course I visited Charminar. Reva Raven, hi Rakul, which is your favorite movie? My all-time favorite movie would be DDLJ. Vishnu Nimagada asks me your schooling experience. Well, I changed 10 schools till the time I came to my 10th grade. So my schooling experience was full of a lot of traveling, meeting people from different states, north, east, west, south. So it was amazing. Okay guys, it was a lot of fun. Any questions answer chesanu. I was though I hope that you are asking me little more interesting questions because these are questions that I've already answered before, but nevertheless it was amazing talking to all of you. Thank you so much for